where are we on that standard journey? And I'm not asking just because I'm here on stage. I'm asking because I literally might ride one of these home, and now I just want to learn a lot more about what those potential risks are, and like walk us through like the steps we're at to where we can get to a place where we really are truly safe.
What I'll say first is, our standards are always on a journey, because I think there is an aspect to developing a standard to address an initial need, and sometimes that need is there's a whole lot of incidents out there, so how do we resolve that? But then there's also the aspect of these products are evolving. So there's standards out there right now that might cover a bike, but we don't have those standards within our portfolio. We have the standard for e-bikes, electric bikes. And so the standards are having to respond to these new technologies. And I think one of the most important things is if you look across our ULSC portfolio, there's over, the number changes depending on who you talk to, but right now I think there's over 1,500 standards in our portfolio, ranging from something as simple as a life jacket to an e-bike or an e-scooter to a lithium-ion battery. What's important is how are those standards actually addressing the safety risk in a relevant fashion? They're very comprehensive. Some would say, these standards are too complex because as a manufacturer, as a product designer, I'm having a hard time getting this to market because the standard has all of these different things that I have to comply with.
And part of that life cycle as well is just the awareness and education. So we appreciate smart consumers who are aware that, it's one thing if you go outside and you rent a scooter and you ride it from point A to point B, you drop it off, you're done. But if you're purchasing one of these things that's going to go in your home, you're going to charge it yourself, you may charge it at work, then really make sure that you're educated about the standards that it should meet and make sure that it's the safest device possible.
Are there